Hi everyone, Angela here. Print out my pattern at 100% letter size and then check with the 1-inch square. Carefully cut out all 4 pieces and then join together with tape. For this project, I'm using polyester fleece. It's a knitted fabric that doesn't fray. The right side is more vibrant than the wrong side, and if you still can't tell, just stretch it and it'll curl to the wrong side. Mark it if you need to. I'm using a solid color for the lining and just placing it together. Make sure not to put this fabric in the microwave. Center the pattern on top. You can either mark around and cut with scissors or use a rotary blade. I still use scissors for the inner corner so that I don't overcut with the rotary blade. I'm using the Juki TL-2010Q sewing machine. The link for this and the tools I use are down in the description below. Make sure to use the code NOTCHESJUKI for the special offer. With right sides together, match the top and side edges. There is a small angle on the side. Stitch together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, back tack at the start, and continue stitching 1/2 inch past the end. Sew all the seams together and then repeat with the lining. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and leave a comment below. Open and press all the seams flat on both pieces. Turn the lining right side out, and then put in the outer layer with wrong sides together. Match the seams together, making sure that they're open flat, and then have the edge of the outer layer about 1/4 inch below the edge of the lining. Clip together and then repeat for the other seams. Now stitch close to this inner edge all around, back tacking at the start and finish. Fold the top edge over 1 inch and then fold again another inch. Next we'll stitch right in the center of the seam or the ditch from about here to just before the bottom fold. Sew a few stitches forward, reverse back a few, and forward again. Repeat for the other 3 seams and trim all the threads. Turn right side out and pop in your favorite ice cream or instant noodles. These cozies have a close fit and feel really nice to hold. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to check out my patchwork bowl cozy tutorial up next.